Looking for the best toys for 8-year-old kids feels like wandering through a toy store where everything claims to be fun, educational, and perfect for their age. Same bright colors, same smiling kids in the photos, but which ones actually keep them engaged past dinner? Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you 5 real winners that actually deliver. Product number 1: Portable Karaoke Machine. This purple karaoke machine from YLL might look like just another flashy speaker, but it's actually a total game changer for shy or super social 8-year-olds. Priced at $34.73 and with over 40,000 sold last month, it comes with 2 wireless mics, Bluetooth connectivity, and even a vocal removal feature so they can sing along like a real pop star. Plus, the LED lights pulse with the music, turning any living room into a mini concert stage. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At this age, kids are building confidence through performance, whether it's singing, storytelling, or just goofing off with friends. This toy encourages that creativity without needing Wi-Fi or screens. It also supports TF cards and headphones, so they can practice quietly or blast tunes during a birthday party. Now, some people complained about the microphones feeling a bit flimsy, and yeah, they're not studio grade. But for casual use, they hold up fine, and the fact that both mics work wirelessly right out of the box is a huge win. This is perfect for you if your kid loves music, performing, or hosting imaginary shows. Skip this one if you're looking for professional audio gear, but for pure, screen-free fun, it's a steal. Product number 2: Magic Chemistry Set. If your 8-year-old is starting to ask why about everything, this blue marble Magic Chemistry Set is exactly what you need. For $23.15 and with 30,000 plus sold recently, it's not just another boring lab kit. It teaches real science through magic tricks. They'll make coins float, turn water different colors, and create instant snow, all while learning how real scientists think. The included wand and gloves make them feel like a true magician, which boosts confidence and curiosity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Kids this age are naturally skeptical and eager to understand how things work. Instead of just memorizing facts, they get to experiment, fail, and try again, building problem-solving skills without even realizing it. The guidebook is actually well designed, with clear illustrations and fun facts that explain the science behind each trick. One downside. A few parents mention that some experiments require adult supervision because of small parts or quick reactions. That's fair, but honestly, that's part of the bonding experience. You get to be the assistant while they take center stage. This is perfect for you if your child loves puzzles, mysteries, or asking how does that work. Skip it if you want something completely independent, but if you're okay joining the fun, it's worth every penny. Product number 3: Unicorn Charm Bracelet Kit. This COO and KOO charm bracelet kit isn't just sparkly, it's a creativity engine wrapped in a unicorn box. At $25.73 and flying off shelves with 30,000 plus sales, it gives girls aged 6-12 everything they need to design their own jewelry: beads, charms, clasps, and even a storage pouch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At 8 years old, kids are developing their sense of identity and style. This kit lets them express who they are through color, pattern, and charm choices, whether it's stars, hearts, or tiny animals. It also builds fine motor skills and patience, which is rare in today's instant grab toy world. Some reviewers noted that the charms can loosen over time if not tightened properly. True, but that's easily fixed with a gentle twist, and honestly, it teaches responsibility. This is perfect for you if your daughter loves crafts, personalizing her stuff, or giving handmade gifts to friends. Skip it if she loses interest in detailed activities quickly. But if she enjoys making things uniquely hers, this kit delivers long-term satisfaction. Product number 4: Sound Effects Prank Machine. Don't let its tiny size fool you. This KNUCKLH80 sound effects machine packs 16 hilarious noises into a pocket-sized gadget for just $19.29. With over 30,000 sold, it's become a favorite for pranksters aged 8-13. Think duck quacks, epic burps, drum rolls, and crowd laughter, all triggered by a single button press. It's lightweight, battery-powered, and ready to go anywhere. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 8-year-olds are at that sweet spot where they love humor, social interaction, and testing boundaries in a fun way. This toy channels that energy into shared laughs instead of screen time. Whether they're pranking siblings, spicing up game night, or just cracking up friends at school, it builds social confidence and timing. One complaint I saw: the sounds loop after a while, so it's not infinitely varied. Fair point, but for the price and portability, it's more than enough for weeks of giggles. This is perfect for you if your kid loves jokes, performing, or being the life of the party. Skip it if you're trying to reduce noise in the house, but if you want a low-cost, high-laugh toy, this one delivers. Product number 5, Unicorn Walkie-Talkies. These pink unicorn walkie-talkies from JKGIFTS cost only $12.86 and have moved 20,000 plus units, not just because they're cute, but because they actually work. With a 1,000-foot range, clear audio, and simple push-to-talk buttons, they're built for backyard adventures, camping trips, or just coordinating hide-and-seek missions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At 8 years old, kids are craving independence and teamwork. These walkie-talkies let them plan secret missions, stay connected during outdoor play, or just feel like spies, all while practicing communication skills. Some parents mention the single channel can cause interference if neighbors have similar toys. That's a real issue in crowded areas, but in most backyards or parks, it's barely noticeable. This is perfect for you if your child loves outdoor play, imaginative games, or needs a safe way to stay in touch during adventures. Skip it if you live in a dense apartment complex, but for suburban families or campers, it's an unbeatable value. So which one's right for your 8-year-old? If they love performing, go for the karaoke machine. Curious minds will thrive with the magic chemistry set. Creative types will adore the charm bracelet kit. Prank lovers need the sound effects gadget. And for outdoor adventurers, those unicorn walkie-talkies are a must. Each of these toys solves a real need: confidence, curiosity, creativity, humor, or connection without relying on screens. Pick the one that matches your kid's personality, and you'll actually see them playing and smiling for hours.